G'day, Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries, Ionic Systems and the Endura. Let's take a look and see what's new. Let's now dive into depth on the Endura, the water-fed pole from Ionic Systems. So the pole will come in various height configurations, and this can be seen at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Head configurations will be Euro, grafter thread, which will allow a variation of brushes, vertigo and the Swift for commercial operations. In comparison, a 32 foot in the Hydra and the new Endura from Ionic Systems. Both these poles at similar reach height at 32 foot, around the 8.6 metre, have same collapsed length. Let's take a closer look. As previous models, the Endura comes with the protector handle, 1000 volts AC and 1500 volts DC. So having the most endurance from the Endura at Ionic Systems, keeping to that round shape and eliminating stress points, has led Ionic Systems to a round pole that is anti-spin. So big differences in clamps, and when we look at the clamps going forward, for ease of maintenance, we have a bolt-on clamp. The configuration has changed dramatically with the clamp design, and you can see that. When we extend a section, we now can't overextend or separate sections. We're physically locked to the lower section for safety. But remarkably, keeping this round shape in the Endura with maximum endurance, we have an anti-spin pole with no high stress points, giving you maximum strength and performance. No rotation. Follow us down. So the Endura against a carbon 32 Hydra. What we're going to do now is load up each pole and show you some deflection rates. So standard 32 foot, we're both in 8.6 metre extended length as a standard carbon pole, and the new Endura. So let's add some weight and take a look. So I've got, just to simulate, a couple of hoses which weigh in at 300 grams. Let's place this on and look at deflection. So both poles are held at the other end, and we'll take a look at that just to give you that understanding on how they're set up just prior to adding this 300 grams of weight. And we're going to, you can naturally see the deflection there with both poles sitting the way they are. But let's add the weight and see how much deflection we get. So 300 grams in a piece of hose. On the Hydra as a 32 foot carbon fibre pole, and then 300 grams on the Endura. So remarkable difference in deflection and rigidity from the new Endura, being a more rigid pole that is anti-spin from Ionic Systems. So I hope this has been a good overview of the new Ionic Endura coming to you down under here in Australia, with the protector handle, bolt-on clamps, the round anti-spin sections that Ionic Systems have produced, and brush head configurations that'll suit an amplitude of brushes. For more information, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, but check out all our other videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. Dive onto our website, you'll see the configurations coming very shortly. There is information there to date on this particular pole, and we look forward to getting you working smarter, not harder. Thanks guys, catch you on the next video.